building your own shell or custom terminal. So in this, we have built a custom terminal in the C language, in which we have implemented numerous of the basic command. Like if there is a ls to list of the files and directory, we have implemented it as say we have implemented as speak. For cd, we have implemented it as wrap. For search and recursively in the directories, there is a seek command, and it shows like normal terminal like username and the system name. Like as the normal terminal shows first the username, in my case Harsh, then I did the system name. Our terminal also shows similar kind of this, only in this green or kind format only. Then the directory name, like if I cd2 as directory comes here, our shell also shows this kind of structure, and the home directory is where the shell was being executed. So yeah, similarly this is the dot in which I have implemented in the basic commands for the, like I have shown you the print in the name, and then implemented multiple commands separated by semicolon, or running the command in the left with background and print in the process ID of that command. Then there is a wrap to change the directory, and the show, we have also shown the directory structure, and this we have implemented these flags which was same as cd. And this is the peat, which is similar to ls, implemented all the flags and all the just similar to ls. And like here is the how the flags stand. I have mentioned the peak, then flag name, then the path name. Like -a is for showing hidden files, also -l is for listing with all the informations. And for these we have not used execvcp, which is executes the command, but we have implemented these all in our C command. For the remaining command which we have not executed, for running these commands we are using execvcp. We have implemented total 16 functionalities. So, and there is approximately like 16 functionalities, out of which multiple commands we have tried to cover. So, and we have implemented 7 more commands also. The past event command is there. It's like kind of history in the bash. So it shows last 15 commands executed, and it says also is like we don't have to include last. If we have done ls 2 times, or say peat 2 times, then we have to show peat only 1 times, and we can also execute command like this: sleep past event execute 1. So similarly this for foreground background process, it's there. Pretlore shows about the information about any of the process, its process state, process group, virtual memory. That if you type direct Protlore, then it tells about the current process, which will be the shell only running. If you also mention the PID of the process, it tells about that process. Then there is a seek command, which will in which by which we can search for a file or folder recursively. And there is multiple IO redirection, input output, pipelining, pipes, redirectional on pipes, signal handling, and foreground background, neonate, networking. Like we can see main pages of any of these in the terminal only. We have to first type I1 and sleep. So now I will show you the demo of this. First I have given the overview of the project. Now I will show you the demo of this. So let's go to, this is the my directory. So I will open a terminal, and let's go to the GitHub to see the readme, how to get started, building, command make, okay, ./out. Okay, so I guess this is a new terminal which got started. Yes, as you can see, this was the older terminal. I was in directory music, 2 as M1OS and C shell. Now the C shell became the parent directory, and this is the new my custom terminal started from here. Let's check clear. I have not implemented clear, but it's executing by execvcp. Let's start some of these. As you can see, username and entity system name is coming, Harsh HP247 G8 notebook. And we can change directory. First let's see, so peat, here a directory named A. I've also done color coding. The blue is for the directories, green is for executables, and something like that. Normal is normal test files. This is also a directory, so let's move to A. So arp A. So yeah, as you can see here, it's showing A. Here it's showing A, like the current present directory. Now let's see what's in this B. So arp B. Okay, so it can be shown. So yeah, and we can execute multiple commands. So let's do p command present working directory. So yeah, p so p is shown as C, also shown as present working directory. So multiple commands is also working. You can do from any number of commands like p, pwd, pwd, p. Now it also claims results, so it's like complete like normal shell, and it also gives error cell sleep 23. So error sleep is not a valid command. So according to these requirements, we have satisfied these requirements, and nothing has been hard coded. Everything is working completely fine. You can test. So as I can show, it's changing the directory. I have been in 2-3 directory. Let's go further inside. rp rep c standard c will be rp rep this origin. It will go to the origin of the shell, and we can also go to the home directory of the laptop, but type in the not relative command, absolute command, and you can also use this dash to go to the last visited directory. It is the last visited directory. Oh, sorry, cd is not a valid command. Yeah, cd can't be executed using HCCP, so it's not a valid command. I have to type WARP, which was implemented by me. So yeah, let's go to last execute directory, which was my home directory for now, and let's go to cd, not cd, a.b.c.d. I know there is a D directory also, so it's maybe cd. Now let's go to cd.c. Okay, wait. A, B, C. Again I have done mistake. So yeah, 20 units, everything is working really fine, I guess. I can also show you the rp dot last directory ab rp dot, so everything is working completely fine. Similarly for peep, we can see, let's do that rp on the home directory because there are multiple files there. So let's do peep, it will show current directory, peep minus L with all the information also, peep minus A with hidden files also. You can see the dotted files here. And now I will show you some path name. So peep minus AL, as you can see, it should also be implemented. So I'm just typing a random home sh home hash, so you can see all the files in hash. So past event commands, PASTEVN. You can see the past 15 commands, and when I press Ctrl C, it also saves in a history.txt file. So whenever I open the text, I can see these past commands. It's not like it's for this terminal only. Whenever I open the terminal again, I can see the last 15 commands also. So past event command is working, as you can see. All of these, we can also try to execute some of these. Past events execute 3. Execute one only. Like you can see, last command is being executed. So last command from first command from the last. Here the number specifies the nth command from the last. So that command is being executed, and yeah, everything is set. You can test also background. You can test background. Sleep, saw, hazard, and okay. So the sleep 1000 is active in the background, and the past event has been activated. This is the process ID. So you have to print the process ID of the background processes. So this is completely working, and as I can show, if I write 3 times also ls, past event doesn't, past event stores it only one time, not multiple times. But yeah, if I done read, then again ls, then it will show. And we can also just press enter. It will give a new line, just like as normal terminal. So ls peak ls, as you can see, and yeah, that's it for now. And past event purge, clean the past events. Oh shit, I have done a mistake. In my terminal I have run sudo command, which will be not able to write this, so I have run it. Okay, I have to close this for now for once because I have done a mistake. Okay, so I am opening this page. This. So past events purge. Control Shift V. So yeah, as you can see, past event purge is executed. And let's do ls then. Only ls is there, the rest past events is not present anymore. And we can have then system command background process, foreground process. I have shown you proclore the current process ID, and let's make a sleep in background, and we will see this process. Proclore 74745. So you can see the profile state. S means sleep, R means running, and executable path and everything is there. The executable path of the process. This is the a.out print. So yeah, this is the sequence. Now this is the C in which we can search for a folder. Let's do for C. This is all the folder, but I will show you there is one. Let's do for D. Hi, this was I want to show like D. There is a folder separated out A, B, C, D, the system. So all of this has D in their name. So it's like if you have something like name, if I search for system also like C and these were there. And for we have 3 flags here: -D, -F, -E. So like if you do C -D for such many directories, so if C dot E or we do B, and we will get that a.b relative path. Then this is also in git, so it will also come. And if you want -F is there for only files, and this is invalid flag because we can't simultaneously search for only directories and only flags. So -SD and -F used simultaneously is an invalid flag. So it should show this. So that's a B, invalid flags it has shown. And if we ask for only a folder, then C -E D and let's enter D. So it's 10 the flags. Yes, that's it. Part B process. I will direction. We can create files like let's do this only. Now we will cat this file and see if that's been stored or not. So as you can see, hello world got printed, so it's been stored, and we will also store this in wc less than a.txt. So yeah, as you can see, the word count is so like storing in file and reading from file, both of those are working. Now let's see appending in the file. So now we will append in this file, and we will get completing this file. So as you can see, hello world all 3 of the IO redirection commands are basically working, and there is a pipe in. You can test. I am testing very thoroughly, but you can test as you want. All of these things are working. Yes, so this also works. This command will also work. This command also works. Redirection on the pipe will also work. You can see the activities command. This process is running. I will show this later. For foreground and background processes, there is this sleep running, background PID, new net -4. Let's enter this. So it's been executed, and it will show in every 4 seconds in the process until the key H is pressed. So PID is being printed until the H is been. When I press H, it will stop. And this is the networking. If I press I-man and ls, then it will extract from internet information from the man pages, and will show it here. If I do I-man sleep, so it will extract it, and yeah, pretty much this is only, and that further so much testing can be done, but I have done it thoroughly because it's a long huge project and there's so much testing needed, and if I have done that, video can be too long. So yeah, thank you.